So, today ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-book sa Travelbook.PH. But before everything else, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So, what is Travelbook? Travelbook is one of the legit and trusted travel agency here in the Philippines. There are two ways to book your favorite travels and hotels. First option is via their website. You can search at www.travelbook.ph. And the second one is through their app. Pero I suggest po, once mag-book kayo, better to use their app because it is cheaper compared to the website. So why choose Travelbook? There are 4 reasons why I like Travelbook. It is because they give discounts, cheap prices, and you can also earn reward points and book even without credit or debit card. So now, I will teach you the 4 easy steps on how to book at Travelbook.ph using their app. Step 1. Download the app via Play Store or iOS. Step 2. Sign up. Guys, in this step, you have to fill up the correct information kasi yan na po ang magre-reflect sa lahat ng transaction mo sa Travelbook. So after nyo po mag-sign up, the third step is to book your favorite hotels and tours and activities. So if you will book on hotels, just tap the hotels tab. Pero kung tours and activities naman, tap tours and activities. So for example, magbubook tayo sa tours and activities. Search mo lang yung location. Pwede nyo siya i-search via category or by area. So for example, I choose Star City and then choose a date kung kailan mo preferred pumunta and tap OK and then search for activities. Tap mo lang siya. And then may lumabas na po dyan. You can choose your activities. So once may napili na po kayo, you can just tap the book now and go later. Okay, in this part, I suggest po nabasahin niyo po yung read more kasi marami sa Travelbook. So pag okay na po sa inyong lahat, you can tap request to book. So in your information, no need na po na i-fill up ulit yung mga needed na details kasi automatic na po siya magpa-pop up dyan. Bali, naka-system generated na po. And by the way guys, kung wala pa pong ibang tao na nag-introduce sa'yo tungkol kay Travelbook at kung wala pa po kayong friend code, pwede nyo po gamitin yung friend code ko. Ang friend code ko po ay 5629. Wala po kayong ilalabas dito kahit ni 1 sentimo, pero pag ginamit niyo po yung code ko, malaking tulong na po yun sa akin. Paano? Kasi every time na gagamitin niyo po yung friend code ko sa pag-book dito sa Travelbook, may makukuha po ako na maliit na commission. And so after niyo po mag-input ng friend code, tap OK. Pag okay na po yung mga information dito, and then kung just for example lang, maidagdag kayo na information, you can tap additional information and then scroll down para makita nyo po yung mga kailangan na dito. Pero kung wala naman kayo idagdag, just tap one step left. Sa payment method naman, dito nyo po makikita kung magkano po yung babayaran nyo. Kunwari, 2 kayong pupunta, pwede nyo po itong itap. Pili lang po kayo kung ilan kayo pupunta. Example, 2. So, dito makikita nyo po yung discount. O, diba? May discount ka pa na receive. Tapos, total points, kung ilang points yung ma-receive mo pag na-book mo na to. So, yung reward points naman, pwede nyo po siyang magamit next time na magbubook kayo ulit sa Travelbook. Tap mo lang yung use points. Ayun. Tapos, enter mo lang kung ilang reward points yung gagamitin mo. So far ngayon, wala pa naman ako reward points. Cancel mo na. Ayun nga sabi ko kanina, maganda dito sa Travelbook kasi kahit wala kang credit or debit card, pwede ka po mag-book. So, kung wala ka sa mga nabanggit ko, pwede ka naman dito mag-book sa 7-Eleven. Tap mo lang siya. Okay? And then, ulit guys, I suggest po na basahin po ulit yung read more. Tap mo lang siya para lumabas yung mga more details. Pag okay na po sa'yo lahat, you can now tap the checkbox and tap book. After the booking process, now we will go to the step 4, which is payment. So after nyo po mabook yung hotels or tours and activities nyo, after mga ilang minutes or an hour, maka-receive na po kayo ng email galing kay Travelbook. So ito, once ma-receive nyo na po ito, screenshot nyo po siya. Kasi ito na po yung ipapakita nyo sa cashier once mag-drop by na po kayo sa 7-Eleven. And take note, you only have 24 hours para mabayaran po yung binook nyo. Kung hindi mo nyo po siya mabayaran sa loob ng 24 hours, automatic ika-cancel po ng system yung reservation. And then, mabubook na lang po kayo ulit. So, after nyo po magbayad sa 7-Eleven, may ma-receive din po kayo na email confirmation galing kay Travelbook.PH na nagsasabi na nakapagbayad na po kayo dun sa reservation nyo. Pag na-receive mo na yun, so, ready ka nang pumunta doon. Pagpunta mo doon, magdala ka na lang po ng 2 valid IDs together with the email confirmation na nakapagbayad na kayo kasi ipapakita nyo yan doon sa event or doon sa tours and activities or hotels na pupuntahan nyo.